Go.
Hi, this is a patient who has been in numerous rearing collisions and had a whiplash. And I'm checking her upper cervical spine. She was rotated in her sacrum, and this is cranial sacral work. Go ahead and hold your arm up. Go ahead and open your mouth. Let me have you inhale and push. Exhale. Okay, go ahead and turn your head. And go ahead and inhale. And then relax your arm. Go ahead and open wide. And I want you to inhale as I pull up on the sphenoid bone and adjust the occipital bone. And exhale. Inhale. And then out. And then one more time. And then out. Go ahead and hold your arm back up. Let's retest. And retest. Much better. Great. Thank you.